Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to guide you through fixing the failed to join party error in Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 on battle.net. If you're dealing with this issue, let's get it sorted with a few simple steps. Step 1. Double check your in-game settings. Open Black Ops 6 and go to your settings. Make sure crossplay is enabled if you're trying to join friends on different platforms. Verify that your party settings are set to open and not private. If you've confirmed these settings and still see the error, move on to the following steps. Step 2. Adjust DNS settings. Open network connections by searching for it in the Start menu. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. Scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, highlight it, and click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS server, 1.1.1.1 alternate DNS server, 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save changes. Step 3. Flush the DNS cache. Type CMD in the Start menu, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following and hit Enter. Bash copy code ipconfig/flushdns. This clears any old DNS data and can often help with connection issues. After completing these steps, restart the battle.net launcher and try joining your party in Black Ops 6 again. This should resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Error Genie, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.